Welcome to today's video. We'll be reviewing the top 10 products for detailing and cleaning the interior of your Tesla Model Y. If you want to keep your car in excellent condition, these products will definitely help. Remember, all product links are in the video description below for easy shopping. Let's get started. 1. Chemical Guy's Inner Clean Interior Quick Detailer and Protectant Review. This product is great for quick daily cleaning. It's easy to use and leaves a long-lasting fresh scent. Effective in removing light dirt and dust, but may not be enough for stubborn stains. If you're looking for a quick solution to keep your car's interior clean, this product is perfect for you. 2. Car Guy's Super Cleaner Review. This cleaner is very powerful and versatile. It can easily remove most stains, whether on leather, fabric, or plastic. However, be sure to dilute it when using on sensitive surfaces. If your car needs a deep clean, this product will be your best friend. 3. Meguiar's Classic Wash and Wax Kit Review. This is a comprehensive car care kit. The shampoo and wax are excellent for cleaning and protecting your car's exterior. Although the main focus is on the exterior, some products can also be used internally. It's great value for money if you want to care for your car inside and out. 4. 303 UV Protectant Spray Review. This spray is excellent for protecting interior surfaces from harmful sun rays. It prevents cracking and fading and maintains the color of surfaces. It may leave some extra shine on some surfaces, so use it carefully if you prefer a matte look. If you park your car in the sun a lot, this product is essential for you. Number 5. Armor All Original Protectant Refill Review. This product is classic and effective. It protects and shines plastic and rubber, making your car's interior look new. Some users prefer less shiny products, but if you like the glossy look, you'll love this product. It's also economical, making it a great choice for regular use. 6. Adam's Interior Detailer Review. This product cleans and protects well. The non-glossy finish is great and gives a professional look. It may need frequent application for long-term protection, but the results are worth it. If you want to maintain the original look of your car's interior, this product is ideal for you. 7. Mother's VLR Vinyl Leather Rubber Care Review. This product is versatile and highly effective. You can use it on vinyl, leather, and rubber, making it suitable for most interior surfaces. It leaves surfaces soft and protected, but it may be a bit heavy on some types of leather. If you're looking for one product for all your interior care needs, this is an excellent choice. 8. Leather Honey Leather Conditioner Review. This conditioner is very powerful and makes leather soft and flexible. It prevents cracking and extends the life of leather seats. It may darken some light-colored leathers, so test it on a small area first. If your car has a lot of leather, this product will be a great investment to maintain its quality. 9. Invisible Glass Premium Glass Cleaner Review. This cleaner cleans glass excellently without leaving any streaks. It's very effective in removing fingerprints and dirt from windows and display screens. Be careful when using it around coated surfaces. If you want clear and safe visibility while driving, this product is essential in your car care kit. 10. Weiman Leather Cleaner and Conditioner Review. This 2-in-1 product is highly effective. It cleans and moisturizes leather in one step, saving time and effort. It's good for regular maintenance, but may not be strong enough for heavily soiled leather. If you're looking for a quick and effective solution to maintain your car's leather, this product is perfect for you. And with that, we've reviewed the top 10 products for detailing the interior of your Tesla Model Y. Remember that choosing the right product depends on your specific needs and preferences. All of these products will help you keep your car in excellent condition and increase your driving pleasure. Don't forget that all product links are in the video description below. You can click on them directly to purchase and start improving your car's appearance today. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more car care tips. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.